Well, hello, STM guys. I'm going to produce a little short video on the Geiger counter. And Zach put it together, and he did a good job. He just made a couple of mistakes, and unlike a test when you get 99 out of 100 answers correct, when you're putting together electronics, you got to make them all work. So let's get started. So the two major things that we didn't quite get right is that when you plug these chips in right here, they can go in one or two ways. And what Zach did is he got them in backwards. So the important thing is to look at the little dot right here. This is pin 1. And it counts counterclockwise. So this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jumps across 11, 12 out to 20. So this is the index right here. And there's a little dot on the board right here. It's kind of hard to see. This tells you that this dot needs to line up with this dot. And Zach didn't quite get it right. He also made the same error over here. And this one is a little bit more tougher to see. This is where the dot is. This is where the dot on the board is. And if you plug these things in backwards, you have the opportunity to blow these things up. So that's what that is. So continuing on the Geiger counter board, this is the underneath side of the board, and Zach made a little minor boo-boo. Let me see if I can get the pencil going here. I'm going to stop it and start it again. So this is the small socket on Zach's board. This is right here. Notice there's 8 pins in here. Now, because we're looking at the other side of the board, the pins count a little different. But what I want you to point out is that the pins stick through. You'll see, if you look real close in the middle here, you can see the pin sticking through. What Zach did is when he inserted the socket, especially on this pin 3 right here, that pin got bent over and wasn't sticking through the board. So what I had to do is remove the socket and straighten out the port and replace it and resolder it. So Zach almost got this thing working. So hats off to Zach. This board now works, and we'd hope you guys will figure out how to put it in your balloon package.